You are Russian soldiers in
No, we're not.
We're just there for training. No other purpose.
Hey, see you public.
You're Russians at a toy factory.
We're just here for training, no other purpose.
No, they burned in the toy factory.
Come on.
First day of school.
Yeah.
First day of school, I love it.
First day of school.
So we get to talk, right? Just do my sound effects.
You'll do Brock's, I'll do yours.
Yes, I got
Cool.
it.
Alright.
Switch places, it's gonna throw me off. I'm player 1 usually. It's my console, I'm player 1. Hey, which class are you in? Let me check here. It's making multiple noises.
I know, it's weird. We've got math next.
Math.
Yeah.
Let me just grab mine out.
Maybe you should oil that.
My pocket's really squeaky. And you just pull this. It's on the ground now. I hit somebody, I'm sorry.
Oh, is that the. Yeah, we gotta go.
Oh, okay. Wait for me. Where are we? Oh, are we sitting here? Oh, sorry. Dude, I just squished a huge spider.
Ew.
It's gonna be on test. What? What?
No, I'm just sitting here taking notes. Okay. I won't do it again, I promise.
It's on fire! What? Okay.
Where's the exit? Where's the exit? This is only the first day of school. We haven't received training yet.
Drop, duck, and roll.
Okay. Quack, 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 quack.
There's ducks around here. There's actual ducks.
I don't know what to do.
Catch ducks. They put out flames.
I think it worked. It worked. Oh, we gotta get to class, man.
So you got that. Mine broke up.
You can use my book, because I think we got all the same classes anyway.
Dude, my mom wouldn't buy
In
me
here.
school ship. Oh, okay.
Don't forget to close the door behind you.
I'll tell you about my shoes later.
It's music class. Yeah, right?
Does this sound right?
Hey, yeah, you just gotta tune it, man.
Tune my triangle.
Yeah. I'll give you a note to tune it off of. That wasn't right.
Was that me or you? Thanks, Billy. Billy's such a great classmate. So I don't know what plays. I'd rather play this. Let's see how it sounds.
Okay.
I didn't even put it. Is there something inside this thing?
I don't know, maybe. Maybe I can scare it out. It worked?
Dude. Oh yeah. It went.
Oh, crap. Okay, go to the next class.
Yeah. I don't care about that anymore.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, yeah, Colin. Oh, hey. Oh,
Hey guys, I just gotta get to. Whoa, oh, hey, not in the hallway, guys, not in the hallway. What are you doing?
what? I thought we were in gym class.
What? We are?
Okay.
Holy crap! I'm not prepared. I need to go get changed. I'm back.
Okay. I just need to get my gym shoes on. That wasn't a zipper, that was actually a trap door.
You got one of the trap doors in your locker? That's pretty cool.
Yeah. There they are.
Everybody else is running. We better head out there.
Okay. Wow, I've never ran so silently before. Oh no! Whoa! 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 Okay. We got the teamwork. What the?
Hey, we should take the nurse.
Those the head of the legs. Sorry, bro. Okay. Yeah, you should. Why? What is that big? Is that a needle? Is it? What did you have for lunch?
We haven't even had lunch yet, so just from this morning.
Do you hear that?
What is it?
Oh no.
How's my stomach? I'm getting pretty hungry right now.
No, you're
It's lunchtime.
This is lunchtime now.
All right.
I'm excited what my mom packed
I know.
me today.
Ooh, tuna! And a snack pack. I think I'll eat this first.
Do you have an extra one of those?
Let me check. We got this fruit cup.
Okay.
Hey there. I'm Fruit Cup.
Dude, you totally missed out. This fruit cup talks.
That's awesome.
Glove, 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 glove. You drink really loud.
I know. I'm still doing it.
Oh, it's everywhere.
It's not even new. Oh, there. Yeah, there's the rest.
Dude, gum just fell from the ceiling, man. Look at all of it up there.
Ew.
Ew. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna start getting cleaned up. Oh yeah,
Go. Just wait up. Okay, which class are we in now? Wait.
Let me check my
Some
schedule.
noise will help us decipher. Ding, there dings. What kind of classroom is this?
We've got social studies.
Social studies. Life. Oh, it's life science. Okay, let's take your dog. Mine's different, but the same.
Mine is equally as good.
They're on fire!
Stop, duck, and roll.
Oh God! Help me! Help me! She's
I don't know.
The ducks are back! No! They're taking her
I don't know
away!
what to do.
They're taking her away!
There's too many ducks in this damn school. Wait, no, that's the teacher's phone.
Okay.
Hello? Oh yeah, he's right here. They want to talk to you. This is a really silent corner.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, you must have heard about the ducks.
Yeah, Ma, I just, you know, she's really angry when I forget to fold my laundry.
Sorry about that.
Sorry, Mom. Yeah, I've been home. Apparently, I have like 12 periods in this school, so. We are 15. Bye! Okay.
How are we gonna get home?
I don't know where the buses are.
Oh no! Let's go! We gotta try and catch it! Hey! Hey!